What's up everyone and welcome to another episode of the Optics Podcast. Na-miss nyo ba kami kasi na-miss namin ang isa't isa? We're back on our first episode in a month. In a month, would you believe it? And
Yeah.
together with us, we have here Robbie, Jamo, and live from Tokyo,
Yes.
Mark.
Yes, hello. Hi,
Kumusta?
everybody.
Kumusta?
What's up mga
Eto.
glassmates?
Mhm.
Yes, malapit na ang
Oo.
ating first anniversary.
Yeah.
Actually, this is
Abangan
our
ang anniversary.
anniversary episode.
Ito na
Yeah.
ba ang anniversary episode natin?
Ewan ko.
Okay.
Mm.
Happy Anniv, guys. Happy Anniv.
Nagtitipid
Our
ako ng
our,
kuryente.
our anniversary, the anniversary of our first episode is was to be ay bukas. Tama ba?
Oh,
When this comes out,
Ay, hindi. Ay 28 pala.
Sunday.
Sa
Sunday.
Saturday.
Saturday. Sorry,
Mm.
Saturday.
Oo, sa 28.
Yep. I love it.
Oh.
Sige, sige.
Yeah, it's been a while. Medyo hinahabol tayo ng mga kinabibisihan.
Yeah.
Mga day jobs.
Mm-mm.
Ang dami.
A lot has happened in a month. So,
Ayan. I-process natin
Ang daming
yan.
ganap eh.
Sige.
Ang daming ganap. Pero anyway, ang ano bang mga topics natin today, Miles?
Ayan. First, going dun sa a lot has happened during the month. Pag-usapan natin yung ongoing volleyball tournaments, both the women's tournament and the men's tournament. Kumusta, Mark? Mark from Tokyo.
yes, live reporting from Tokyo. Iniwanan ko kayo dyan. Nung sinara ang aircon ng buong Pilipinas, pumunta ako dito sa Tokyo para tuloy lang ang ligaya ng lamig. Dahil mahal na ang kuryente, mahal ang gasolina, dito muna ako magpapalamig sa Tokyo. And nagkataon obviously na even if I'm in Tokyo, dire-diretso pa rin ang laban natin sa UP men's volleyball team at saka women's volleyball team. Kasalukuyan, right in the middle sila ng second round. Um, from a very, very good start ng ating teams, medyo we're lagging behind na regarding our wins, no? Between the men's and also the women's. Currently, ang ating men's volleyball team are at fifth place, and then our women's volleyball team are at sixth place, no? The men's has a current record of 3-6, and then ang women's naman natin has a record of 4-5. Very, very competitive ang both ang both tournaments, both men's at saka women's, Sa men's natin, they're right in the thick of it. They're still ahead. Teams such as Adamson at saka UE. But we really need to fight them for these remaining games. And the same is with the women's team. The women's team had a blow, losing one of their key players in Cassie Dongallo during their match versus Adamson. It was something obviously that was quite painful for the entire team to experience, even for the community. And we would wish Cassie a quick and swift recovery. Obviously, she waited a bit because she needed to do residency for us before being able to play and suit up for UP. And now with the injury, she will really need to wait another year. And hopefully, obviously, she'll be able to recover quickly so that she can join the next season. And we'll be waiting for you, Cassie. So quick recovery for Asana. We still have our chances on both men's and women's tournaments, but we really need now to really claw back with a little bit of wins. And the next game that we have this coming Sunday is against, for the women's, the undefeated LaSalle Green Archers. So we'll pray. Nangyari naman last season na during our match versus LaSalle, and they were actually also streaking, natalo natin sila. So, alam mo, anything can happen, bilog ang bola. And the same way, we had a very, very close match versus LaSalle also during the first round. Actually, natalo yata natin sila during the first round. Everybody comes out to be able to support our team. This is very, very crucial for us, to be able to win this particular match. Kasi there's only so much wins that we can already get, just to make the Final Four. And I know that for our seniors, especially in the women's, people like Itang, Haboneta, they really would like to make this season the best season with the result of getting into the Final Four. Despite getting that low of an injury with Cassie Dongallo, alam mo, they're still fighting. And you can really see that they're keeping it competitive. Nga lang, we're not getting the results, at the end of the day to stay in the running for the Final Four so far. but be able to keep it close, with teams such as UST, four slot. So all the best. I'm seeing a lot of support from the communities. There are new banners that are out there, that with the surname specifically of the players. So great job for the community and being able to support the team and being able to cheer loudly for them. And hopefully we get more people seated, obviously, during the games as well. I know there has been talk also about controversies,
Mhm.
disappointments
Oo
about
nga.
how the players are being coached, perhaps.
Rage quit.
Yeah, may mga walk away, mga walk out situations na nangyayari. In my mind, obviously, social media, for example, might be noisy about it. We have our all thoughts and criticism na pinag-uusapan natin in our individual chat rooms. At the end of the day, we would like to support the team, the coach, because their
Mm.
success means the overall success of the team. So, as much obviously, we might be questioning certain decisions, kung sino ang libero, kung sino ang setter, kung sino open, kung sino middle, 'di ba? Pinagrarambol-rambol, pinag-eksperimentohan. Okay,
Yun nga
sige,
eh.
tingnan natin. Alam mo yun, if it works, it works, then we're gonna praise them. If it doesn't, obviously, they'll get the criticism. And all of a sudden, 'di ba, wala mag-enroll sa academy. So, galingan na lang ng powers that may be, regarding the coaching. And in my mind, obviously, and I was telling this about also my observation with the team, anything that we prepared for this particular season will contribute to our success. And we can really see that all of the other teams, may it be an Adamson, may it be an FEU for the women's world, nagpalakas talaga sila. They're really, really good. And that is as a result of being able to play together for a few seasons already and being able to strengthen themselves, alam mo yun, during the off-season. We had changes in coaches last year with Coach Bokbok and this year with Coach Fabio. I'm not sure what were their focus during the season. Baka na-focus naman sila na iba-iba yung position. Yung positionless volleyball, modern, academy, panalo. Baka mamaya 3 and 3, 3x3, lahat-lahat sila, 'di ba? Pwedeng anong position. Who knows, 'di ba? It might work, it might not work. At the end of the day, they would really need just to trust each other inside the court, and hopefully we'll get voices and leaders. And 'di ba, kung hindi man sila maging effective, if it means, alam mo yun, if it would mean na will make the difference by cheering loudly during the games, because sometimes it really helps, then might as well go ahead and come out and cheer for them too. So we're rooting for you, UP men's volleyball and UP women's volleyball team. Good luck for the remainder of the season, and hopefully we get that Final Four.
Good luck
Yan.
and get well soon, especially to Cassie Dongallo.
Yes,
Ano niya? Anong injury niya?
Naku, medyo ACL, medyo
Oo.
complicated yata yung pagka-ACL, from what I
Ah.
understand. And if you look into the video itself, it did not look good. But I'm seeing Cassie in high spirits as she's been
Was that
attending games and
was that
everything.
the
So
game versus no? FEU?
Adams, FEU
Adamson.
ba? Adamson ba? Parang Adamson.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah,
Well,
she's in high spirits. She's been posting videos with the team and everything. She's been watching. So, yeah, for the people around Casey, pasahin nyo lang si Casey. Pakainin nyo na marami. She's a very, very nice girl. Alam mo yan. And I'm sure, obviously, all of the support and all of the food will be coming her way
Yeah.
until she gets her full recovery in.
Parang may nabasa ako, meniscus din. Meniscus tear din
Mm-mm.
eh.
Oo, medyo complicated.
So
Kasi
ACL
pag
and meniscus.
naka-full
Yikes.
bracing leg niya as of the moment. Yeah.
Ouch.
Okay.
Well, punta naman tayo sa men's basketball, no, na ang daming updates recently, no. Let's summarize yung the latest news on our men's basketball team. First, we have our latest recruit from the high school ranks, Sean Franco. Welcome to the UP Fighting Maroons. He's a
Yes.
6'2 wing player. 6'2, mga around 6'2, 6'3 yan. Plays both the 2 and 3 positions. It's probably more of a 3 than a 2 right now. Pero may igagaling pa, no? The shooting stroke is there. The defense is there. This is a guy na pasok na pasok sa sistema ni na Coach Tom, ni na Coach Gold, no? Loves to play defense, makikipagpalitan niya ng mukha, and the kind of player who's willing to take on the defensive role, no? Just like
Yeah.
what happened with Alarcon, with Abadiano, and with Jacob Vela.
Mm.
Same role. This guy looks like he could occupy the same role as a freshman, and he put up MVP numbers in the high school ranks. Uh, Medyo weirded out lang din siguro ako na hindi ganun kaingay yung tug of war over him. The rumors that I heard are, aside from Arellano wanting to keep him, the only schools talaga who seriously recruited him are UP and San Beda, no? Parang aside from those two
Mm-hmm.
schools, hindi masyadong maingay yung recruitment niya. But we're glad that we were able to get Sean Franco, especially as we continue to build our depth in the wing positions. Remember last season na nina Briones, Maga, and si Di Makulangan, no? Di Makulangan,
One
right?
and
It's
done si
only
Di Makulangan. Di ba
one and done ba
two
siya?
and
Two
true
and
siya?
three. Two and true yata siya. Two and true
I
nga
think two
siya.
and true siya.
Yeah. So we'll lose Maga, Remogat, and Briones in the backcourt. So we definitely need more help in that department eventually. So yeah, we're happy to get Sean Franco. Meron ba sa inyo nakapanood, or have we heard anything about his performances in practice lately?
Mhm.
Aha. Sa
Mhm.
ano, may bubwit
Eh,
lang na ano,
ano daw?
may bubwit na sumilip sa ano, sa VTC.
Ano
Anong
daw?
nasilip na with?
Ano daw sabi?
Wala pa, ano lang eh. Di
I'll
naman daw
take
shooter.
notes. Ah,
Oo, di naman
totoo
daw
ba?
shooter. Mm.
Wala.
Knockdown shooter daw.
Totoo
Gusto ko
ba?
yan.
Hindi.
Mm.
Wala yun.
Mm. Ang
Ano ba?
masasabi ko
Rate
lang, no?
natin. Two stars ba? Three stars?
Ay,
Two,
ay, grabe. Tama na yung mga star rating na yan, Issue yan, issue.
two stars. Two stars yan, 2 stars out of
Ano,
10.
ano, parang, parang Grab driver lang. Ano ba? Parang food panda delivery lang. Ang masasabi ko lang dyan, kailangan na natin ng mas malaking bus again. So, I
Oo
think,
nga.
like what we mentioned before, some people might say, I mean, teams like UP or LaSalle, more UP obviously, we're over recruiting, but we can see, 'di ba? We never really know, 'di ba? Sometime during the preseason, marami tayong nawala ding players. Some people decide to go pro. Even for LaSalle, there have been rumors obviously that there might be a few more exits, I think, that they are expecting within their team. So, we really need to prepare for the future. A lot of the players that we do recruit are talented. And for a winning team, you really need to get talented players. But then also with talent and also with their own exposure, they'll probably have options also. No, after 2 years or 3 years of playing, they might get
Oo.
offers or they might probably have a family already
Yeah.
that they also like to
Speaking of
support.
that 2 years, 2 years of playing, no? In parang 1 year na yung ano eh, Francis Lopez news to in Japan.
Yeah. So,
Still
we never
stress.
know, 'di ba? Parang it might seem like marami tayo right now, pero baka come June or come August,
Yeah,
'di ba? It might just be, alam mo yan, all part of the
Sakto.
plan, 'di ba?
trimmed
All part
down
of the
na.
plan. Correct.
Yeah.
Pero parang may nakita akong sa kalendaryo, bakit parang may Canada trip sa June? Ano to? Ano yan? Parang wala lang, side trip lang.
Manunundo daw.
Mga bagay na kailangan ibalik bayan box na lang. Hindi naman na kailangang pumunta pa in this
Hindi.
economy. Charot.
Grabe yung
Oo.
yung sundo, no? Parang wow. Very
Oo, grabe
special.
naman. Masyado yung sundo na yan. Alam mo yan, full feature na naman yan. May mga news article na naman. Baka mamaya, ma-house na naman tayo dyan, ha? Charot.
May
Hindi naman
trauma
siguro.
pa
Diyos
ba
ko
tayo
naman,
from...
sulitin niyo na yung yung super to
Hmm.
ni Gob.
Oo nga, baka huli na yan. Naman na.
You never
Gova!
know.
Gova,
Never
huwag mong
know.
iiwan. Alam mo na.
Sulitin.
Speaking of basketball, marami pa tayong basketball na i-anticipate. Uy, balita ko si Sean Alter, 3x3.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Congratulations! Oo.
Sino kasama niya sa
Yes.
sa
Is
3
going with Chris
3x3?
Kuhn, Ralph Koo.
They'll be playing in Singapore, di ba? Parang and this will be a great exposure also for Sean, taking advantage obviously of him being recognized as playing as a local. So great
Yeah.
exposure for him, and I'm sure obviously he'll be able to learn a lot, and hopefully this carries through, diba, with some confidence, playing with they'll be able to learn a lot
Ano na siya?
from these
And sanay
players.
mag 3x3 yan si Sean,
Yeah.
3x3 player natin yan with Gani.
Diyan na nakuha yung mga tres niya sa
Oo.
Yeah.
3x3. Mm.
Diyan siya nagpakita ng shooting sa 3x3.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also, tinan mo, ating couple, Thea and Sean, are both national team members. Oh,
Yeah.
Wow.
Congrats. Philippines represent.
National team coupling. Charot. There are more basketball ahead of us, no? Marami pa tayong preseason na aabangan. From what I understand, there are a few more provincial trips na magkakaroon ng UPMBT. As it is, nagkakaroon tayo ng mga... Meron daw tayo mga nagkakaroon ng mga tune-up games. Totoo ba yun? Just mga tune-up. May mga insiders ba? Anyway.
Practice lang.
Oo. So makikita natin sila over the weekend yata, di ba? They'll be flying to the province. Anong festival ito? The
Sa
Umayam.
Jam Festival in
Uba Jam.
Loreto, Agusan del Sur.
This weekend na ba yun?
This
Parang
weekend
end of
na
March
yun.
yun
This weekend.
Yes, they'll play
Yes.
Saturday and Sunday. Sobrang sobrang siksik ng tournament. They'll be playing 2 games per day doon sa elimination round, no? So on the first day, doon sa unang laro nung first day, which is Saturday, we'll be playing the Adamson Falcons, and then 7 p.m. on the same day, Lasal agad yung kalaban natin. And then on Sunday, we play UST, and finally, kalaban natin Dave Construction, no, which is a famous Ligang Labas team also in Mindanao, no?
Yeah.
I think playing for them right now are Steve Nash Enriquez, notably.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, yan ang team ni Steve Nash.
Oh.
Yeah, so
Fun.
very
Yeah.
exciting. Yeah.
Kala ko si Steve Nash is already in MPBL. Diba?
Yeah, parang hindi
Pasay?
yata kasi mutually exclusive
Or not?
yung hindi siya
okay.
katulad ng TBA na they don't allow ligang labas eh. Yung MPBL may parang sige kung gusto mo mag-ligang labas, pwede ka na like sumali sa team din in addition to your team sa MPBL, no? So I
Okay.
guess yun siguro arrangement nila.
Yeah. I think this will be a great tournament, being able to see the new faces of Adamson and also UST. I think they needed to do a bit of refresh. Curious to see what is the FSA situation right now of LaSalle. Kung kamusta na ang kanilang FSA at kamusta naman na sila this time around. Babawi kaya sila sa atin?
Mukhang may lilipat nga ng table eh.
Totoo ba ito?
Speaking of FSA situations,
Oo.
yung isa doon sa ibang teams.
Ah,
Meron nga ba?
Makikita
Meron
natin. Makikita natin.
May
Confirm.
may cryptic story kasi eh.
Ikaw chestnut
Something
Thought we
about
wouldn't
Rangers.
notice, but we did.
Kita natin sa Sabado, di ba?
Kaya malalaman natin sa Sabado kasi.
Marami
On
naman
top of
silang
this-
candidate. Ang dami nilang FSA
Oo
candidate.
naman. Oo naman.
Oo nga. Parang anim yata yung parang huli ko nakita parang anim nga yata yung FSA candidates nila eh. So
Oo. Mm-mm.
but
I think-
they have a good thing going with him. So sayang lang if ever. Ano
Yeah.
yun, sorry?
Aside from this particular, I think there'll be several other provincial tournaments. I think 2 more on top of it. And after that, we'll be seeing the schedule, I think, of Pinoy Liga. And if we're going to be
Oo.
part of that, may likelihood that we will. And then Phil Oil also. I think those are the 2 tournaments that likely will be joining mga usap-usapan na sasali din tayo ng Asia Basket. Ang dami naman
Yeah,
masyado.
baka daw mag-Asia Basket tayo.
Mm-mm.
Asia Basket has already teased an upcoming tournament, no, na collegiate tournament ng
Oo.
Mm.
ng ng ano, no, na Asia Basket. So abangan natin 'yun. Baka who knows?
Oo
Ay,
nga.
yeah.
May isang
Yeah,
UP na lumabas na sa list of teams.
Grabe
marami
naman yan.
naman tayo players eh.
Pwede naman tayo
Yeah.
pwede naman tayo mag-aral minsan. Oh,
Actually,
ang dami ang daming tournament. Oo. Well, if it would mean, kasi obviously we lost the Maroon 5, alam mo 'yon. We have new pieces. And some
Yeah.
of them might be asked to play specific roles this time around. So the more that they're able to play together, so I'm happy to hear that they're doing tune-ups. And I'm happy to hear na maybe we've been doing well. Maybe.
maybe.
But
Maybe.
obviously, iba pa rin ang flavor, for example, when it comes to the UAAP. So, first look, this particular tournament over the weekend on how the other teams are also preparing. And we would need to see, obviously, clearly, obviously, what the competition would look like. And at the end of the day, we are our own competition, And like what
Yeah.
I said, even on volleyball, it only everything, for example, coming into the UAAP will be with the preparation talaga. If you're not as prepared for it as well, then you can only do so much during the season. So, hopefully, ma-manage natin ang chemistry. Ma-manage natin ang amuyan. And sana ma-manage natin lahat ng players na kailangan natin.
Sana ano lang. Sana wala tayong i-drop na tournament
Oh.
schedules wise. Sana mag-drive lahat ng schedule sa mga tournaments. Yun lang. Because,
Hirap.
I hate leaving in the middle of the tournament, man.
Yeah, sayang eh.
Sayang eh.
As a UP fan na dumadayo tayo to see the off-season games. Of course, we respect whatever decision naman no ng team kasi
Oo.
maraming factors yun eh. ACADS, health ng players, baka masobrahan sila sa pagod. Syempre, injury risk din yung mga off-season
Yeah.
tournament na
Oo.
yan, no? So, we cannot blame them. But of course, there's the fan side. Syempre, selfish tayo. Gusto natin nakakita natin yung team maglaro eh. So,
Yeah.
we hope na sana yung mga na-commit din na na tournament sana we see them through kasi the UP community goes to the games no. We fill the stands sa San Juan Arena, sa Enderan, and who knows kahit sa school ng kalaban nating teams no if we join the Asia Basket the tournament format I heard will be home and away, meaning we will be playing games in campuses of other schools no kakalabanin natin doon yung dadayo tayo doon to play their teams, and then dadayo rin sila sa UP to play our team. So definitely dadayo yung napatunayan natin yun ng men's football. Katabi lang halos ng Lasal
Oo.
yung stadium. But the UP crowd dominated the the crowd in the arena during the semis fight against Lasal, no? So same thing can happen. And like what Mark said, hindi lang tayo pwede nakafocus, no? We have to see the entire field. Hindi pwedeng kasi parang puro na lang Lasal yung nakita
Oo.
ng ating updates kasi para puro Lasal din yung may updates recently, no? Yung may ganap. Kasi yung isa pang team na maraming updates lately, which is UE, medyo masamang updates naman yun. So,
Mm.
may team pa, UE, may team pa po ba? Medyo,
Uy, grabe, nag-U-turn si Casinillo.
oo nga.
Yeah.
Tapos
Really
oo,
tough luck for
Casino.
UE.
Si Casino. Yeah.
Casinillo pala, Casinillo.
Bumalik
Kasi
na Intramuros, pero ibang school.
Oo. Yeah, nag-U-turn.
going back to the schedule, there's a lot of other things pa pala that will be competing, no? Kasi I think meron pa tayong 3x3, di ba? The UAAP at this tail end of
Yeah.
the second semester. May lineup na ba? Wala pa yata, no? Hindi pa
Wala
narinig.
Wala
pa.
pa.
Meron na silang logo na bago. May bagong
Meron na.
logo,
And
pero hindi pa natin alam yung lineup.
Ito
yeah,
yung palaging
may
di ba? Nasa Batangas ba or ano?
Or
Usually.
MOA.
MOA yan. or sa Inspire Sports sa Laguna. Pero MOA yan
Oo.
MOA yan usually.
Mm-mm.
I think right now, no, if I'm not mistaken, they've already started to make a dedicated 3x3 team, no. Hindi na to loan players from
Men's
the UP
basketball.
men's basketball team. So yeah,
Oo.
we're excited to know who the players will be
So
and see
dedicated,
them in action.
pipitas na sila from Team B.
Baka.
Oo, ganun. Like, yun na talaga yung focused sport nila, 3x3. Hindi na
Okay.
siya hugot from Team A ng men's basketball.
Okay.
So, ibig ba sabihin nun, pag may makita tayo doon, Team A,
Okay,
hindi pa
ito.
natin
Who do you
sure.
want
Hindi pa natin
from
sure.
Support lang.
from our current Team B? Sino gusto niyo makita doon sa 3x3?
Ang hirap naman mag-ano.
Well,
Marami naman. Mm-mm.
for more exposure, Renji Ekarma, I think doon sa
Yeah.
developmental players natin, siya yung may pinakamalaking promise in terms of physical tools. However, could really use more work skills-wise. Talagang work in progress tong si Renji Ekarma and we hope that getting more reps, no, especially actual UAAP reps in an actual UAAP tournament, baka naman ganahan siya lalo to continue developing his game and who knows, he might make Team A in due time.
Actually,
So,
nasabi ko na before
yeah.
na parang parang Mark Belmonte yung build nito ni Renji.
Yeah, 6'5" na
palaparin mo lang ng
mahaba.
konti eh. Oo.
Totoo.
Mm.
Yun nga lang, medyo
Siguro
hilaw pa eh.
compared to Mark Belmonte, skills-wise, mas hilaw itong si Ekarma. What he does have over Belmonte, I think, mukhang mas athletic si Ekarma. Like, if you watch the highlight videos, nandadakdak talaga siya kasi si Belmonte, I mean, he can dunk and all, pero hindi naman siya yung explosive type athlete, no? Mas ganun si Ekarma. But skills-wise, on the rower end talaga siya. Like,
Mm.
if you thought Belmonte was raw, ibang level of, yun nga, ibang level of raw pa with Ekarma. But we hope that he makes good use of the reps given to him to continue developing his game kasi malaki talaga yung potential ng bata.
Mm.
Yeah,
It'll be interesting.
Ako, I'd like
Yeah,
to
and
see yung
sino si
Eriman.
Javo? Yung tropa ng Maroon 5.
Oo.
What
Balita
position
ako,
does he play ba, Javo? Anong
ah,
position niya?
yun nga eh, I know little about him. So, curious lang ako makita paano siya maglaro. Yeah.
Sa'yo, Mark, who do you think is
Tingnan ko nga
Alam
uli
ko
yung
na.
ating lineup. Tingnan ko ang aking updated listahan ng lineup. Honestly, it's really difficult to say who. I don't know, maybe si Cedric Kong. Ganyan. Or,
Sabi na eh.
The rest kasi, for example, si Nathaniel Eriman, si Nico Tan, ayan, si Cedric Ong, sila siguro, 'di ba? We can go ahead and have them because the rest, for example, La Jonas, for example, also, I'd really want for them to have a shot sa Team A talaga. Sa sa men's basketball team. I know it's gonna be difficult because we only have so many slots that will be available unless they do something similar to what we are doing right now on the volleyball, where we have 2 extra players that you can field at any given point in time, for example, 2. And I know that we are also going to be mixing up 2 FSA this time around this season. But alam mo yun, who knows? Alam mo yun, everybody, all of these players, especially ones that we have key recruits, even for a Panahon, for example, or even this Sean Franco, for example, they all came in with the promise of being able to play in the UAAP for 5-on-5 for the men's basketball team. So that's something that they would want to work for, and I'm sure they would like to make sure that they have a shot on it. Parang audition to mangyayari na to all of these tune-ups, all of these provincial games, all of these tournaments that we might have for Asia Basket, Pinoy Liga, or
Mhm.
Phil Oil. And even, for example, if they do have trips abroad, I'm not sure if they do have Serbia this time around. I'm sure one of those trips probably will be different or would be pushed out kasi meron silang Canada.
Oo nga eh.
So baka Serbia and Canada. Wag na muna tayo mag KBL
Korea.
dahil hindi naman na sila magre-recruit doon ng Pinoy. Charot. So, so Canada yung isa,
Canada
diba?
muna tayo. Muna Korea.
Diba?
Sino si JJ pa rin ba yung coach?
JJ ng 3x3? Ay, hindi
Oo.
ko sure. Baka sa announcement pa nagkataon. Pwede tayo dumaan ng OSAD kasi sa OSAD nakapost naman doon. Silipin natin. Chismis nat. Oo, kay
Silip
Coach
na rin sa
Mo.
mga tune-up nila, no?
Oo, biglang madudulas na lang si Coach. Coach Mo, sino yung sa 3x3 natin? Sige na ganyan. Madudulas na lang yan. Chismisan nyo lang si Coach Mo sa OSAD. Chichismis na lang niya sa atin yan. Okay.
Oh, speaking of coaches, the women's, di ba? Nabalita na ba natin yun? Si, Coach Eric.
Altamirano.
Yeah, napag-usapan
Marami.
natin.
Yeah.
Yeah, looking
There.
forward to it. Sana may FSA na ulit tayo.
True.
True.
Ikaw, Robbie, sinong gusto mong mapanood sa 3x3 na player? Who do you want to see get more reps?
Alam mo, I'd also say Ikarma. Napanood na natin siya, 'di ba? Live Miles. So ako, if you're going to give factor talaga yung minutes eh. If you're going to give him limited minutes, 'di ba? Paano siya mag-ripen if kulang yung exposure. So I think this is an opportunity for him yung 3x3. So for the very same reason.
Baka mag-evolve into a 5-star.
Yan yung mga stars na yan.
Paano ka
I think-
magiging 5-star kung ilang minuto ka lang naglalaro, di ba?
Kaya nga, di ba?
Wala yan.
Baka release pa yung mapag-usapan niya.
Oh.
I think on the next episode, given that we have a relatively newer team, pwede tayong gumawa, each one of us, a depth chart. Parang per position.
Pwede,
Sino yung
yeah.
mauuna sa kanila.
Pwede.
And then we go ahead and compare notes in the end nila na episode. Para masabi natin, for example, we feel like, may kulang ba tayo in a position or not? Or are these starters? Are these, alam mo yun? For you, itong dalawang to, pwedeng starter yan. Pak. Tingnan natin.
Rate na rin natin, no? Rate.
Lagyan natin star. Ganon.
Lagyan natin stars.
Oo. Lagyan natin ng up sign, di ba? Or down sign. Ganun. Up picks. Ganyan. Oo.
Or maybe,
Huwag naman star. Nauna na yung isa sa star eh.
Mga ganun.
Start bench cut na ba tayo? Grabe.
Wala. Grabe na. Ang aga naman. Very early. Isang tournament
Mid-season
muna.
discussions na yan.
Pinoy Liga muna.
Later
Kasi
na
baka
yun.
mamaya-
Later na.
Later na yun.
May chance pa na mag-team. Hindi, pakiramdam ko naman mag-Pinoy Liga, siguro 20 sila sa lineup, I think. Kasi usually naman, di ba, sa Pinoy lang naman sila strict na kailangan, eligible na for the next season or something. Yeah.
Yun.
Ano pa, chismis? Wala na ba?
Chismis.
Well, we did see one episode. Si Naveen dropped an episode recently featuring Nathan Medina and nabanggit niya that yes, we are one of the options. So, chika yan.
Nabanggit
What
ba
are the
niya?
chances? What are the odds?
Di ba
Nabanggit
pinsan
niya.
siya niya, no? Pinsan ba siya ni
Nabanggit
Jacob?
niya either sa
Pinsan siya ni
episode
Jacob.
or in the article eh. May article na lumabas immediately after that episode eh.
Oo.
Na kino-consider niya ang UP, but kasama rin sa listahan na nakalagay doon are Lasal, Adamson, and Ateneo. if I'm not
Yeah.
mistaken.
Actually,
So,
I watched the episode. Hindi siya masyado nagsispill doon ng beans.
oh,
Ang neutral na mga sagot niya.
Yeah.
Oo.
Hindi nga. Hindi nga masyado.
Hindi siya nag-spill ng beans doon eh. Pero siguro doon sa article.
Yeah.
Isn't he related to Jacob? Kasi di ba Jacob Medina Baila?
oh yeah, Medina Baila nga siya. Oh,
Di
pinsan.
ba?
Mm.
Di ba insan yan?
Pinsan yan. Tapos yung pala, insan din nila si Earl Medina. Op!
Hello?
Pop!
Baka na.
Nako
Hindi magagalit.
issue
Yeah.
yan. Like I said during our pre-recording, Nathan might have the choice between, alam mo yun, some of the stronger schools or the good programs. But then also, I think personal decision is trying to find a team where he can make a splash and make a name for himself. Given that he's a one and done, he probably would like to produce POG results. Just as so, he can be recognized, he will have the numbers to be able to carry himself, for a pro career after the UAAP stint, the lone UAAP stint. Obviously, if he comes to UP, alam mo yun, well and good, alam mo yun, with open arms. He'll
Yeah.
be family to us, but it will be ultimately a personal decision. And I'm happy to see, obviously, that he's exploring the option of playing for the Philippines and in the Philippines. And hopefully he does well. Alam mo yon. He seemed like a good kid kasi napanood ko rin yung episode na yon. So all the best, Nathan. And if you come to UP, welcome. If not,
Pero in terms of playing for the Philippines, parang I've heard dun sa interview niya is he still inaasikaso pa rin yung passport niya. So I don't think in the near future ay maglalaro pa siya, magigilas siya, considering that he's already 22 and ngayon pa lang siya
mm,
magpa-passport for
yeah.
'di ba?
Mm-mm.
Mag-apply for passport. So by the time na siguro maglalaro siya ng, if ever, na mag ma-select siya for Gilas, it would take him like 10 years residency, 10 years of playing pro in the Philippines.
Yeah, establishing na meron siyang roots dito,
Yeah.
'Di ba?
essentially.
Or he
Well,
can do the Mike Phillips route and have businesses here. I don't know.
we'll see. Hopefully he lands a team, where he'll be needed talaga and where
Yeah.
he'll be able to play. Kasi that's the reason why naman these kids come to the Philippines, to be able to play.
Yeah. In terms of skill, I have no question naman sa kanya. Parang ang nakita ko yung mga highlights niya. He's a 3-level scorer and any team would be lucky to have him. Talaga.
Mm-mm.
Huwag natin kakalimutan, may upcoming games. As we mentioned earlier, ang UP5 men's basketball team in the tournament in Loreto, Agusan del Sur. On Saturday, we played the Adamson Falcons and the De La Salle Green Archers. And on Sunday, we played the UST Growling Tigers and the Dave Construction team in Mindanao. So, yun. Abangan natin.
2 days lang ba yun? 3 days?
Pasusunod
2
dyan.
days, 3 days.
3 days. 3 days yan. The third day will be for the finals.
Finals and finals and battle.
Semis.
Right.
Yeah,
right,
finals
right.
battle for third. Yeah.
800K ulit yung yung
800K.
Yung
Prize
Income
money.
generating project. Alam natin yan. Or yung mga org racket natin. Yan ang org racket ng UPMBT.
Yeah, pang pocket money pang Canada.
Nag-ipon lang sila for Canada. Diba?
Ay, support din pala natin ang men's and women's tennis teams. They are 0-1.
Yes.
Both teams are 0-1 behind their opponents,
Mhm.
UST at saka NU. Support natin para magkaroon ng game 3 and come from behind for the championship.
Yes.
yeah, support
And
na rin
Robbie,
natin.
may judo news ba tayo, Robbie?
Yes, very
Yeah.
good. Let's support our men's and women's judo teams on April 11 and 12 sa
Yes.
Rizal Memorial. Nood kayo. Yeah, all the best to
Right.
my boys and girls. UAAP
UP
Judo.
Fighto.
UP
Yeah.
Fighto.
Yeah, Fighto.
Mga judoka natin.
Yeah.
Yan.
Okidoki, yeah.
O siya. At marami pa tayong pakulo in the coming days. We will have our anniversary episode or episodes. And because we're starting to see more games again, dadami ang ating updates dito sa Optics Podcast. So huwag kayong mawawala. Stay tuned
Yeah.
for more.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I know hindi kami masyadong active ngayon, but yeah, we will get this thing rolling
Yeah,
once more. Yeah, stay tuned. Stay tuned. Yeah.
na-busy lang. But we're back. We're back.
Mhm.
We're back. Anyway, so this has been the episode in a very, very long time. Kailan ba yung last episode natin? Chinese New Year.
Yeah, 1 month na.
1 month ago.
Oo. So,
Yeah.
papahingin na natin ang mga audiences natin at mukhang
Ah.
ita-times 2 speed nila ang record ang panonood natin. As always, guys, UP Fight, guys.
UP Fight.
UP
Fight.
Fight.